Hey folks, Robbie here with another update on the Sheriff rig. As you can tell, I've been plugging away on it. Here's the motor, just about done. With that, of course the wheels. And then something I'm going to show you. Let me get this going. Hopefully you can see everything okay. And next I'm going to show you the interior. I took out one of the seats. I put in some guns, a CB. Hopefully you can see this okay. Made a thing for the back, but well, I'm gonna try it like this. But hopefully you can see everything okay on it. I really liked how the interior came off. Oh, there we go, better shot of the guns. But I got 3 guns in there too in the one seat, CB, and then of course my net. But really enjoying this. Got this all painted underneath black, so it's coming along. It's getting there. So this is Robbie saying thanks for checking out update number 2, and stay tuned for some more updates. Thank you.